Hello and welcome back guys, you have very warm welcome to our YouTube channel Desi Astro, in the very fourth episode of Basic Astronomy and Astrophysics series. In this video we will knowing the secrets of special type of planets called hot Jupiters. Hot Jupiters are a class of exoplanets, or planets outside of our solar system, that are similar in size to Jupiter, but orbit much closer to their host star. Studies have shown that many hot Jupiters are in retrograde orbits, meaning they orbit in the opposite direction to the rotation of their host star. 51 Peg is 20 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun and orbits its star every 4 days. Planets like these are referred to as hot Jupiters. This method involves measuring the wobble of a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. Hot Jupiters have orbital periods of just a few days, meaning they orbit their host star much more closely than Jupiter orbits the Sun. The term hot Jupiter was first coined in the 1990s when the first of these types of exoplanets were discovered. The first hot Jupiter was discovered in 1995 by a team of Swiss and American astronomers using the radial velocity method. Till date, hot Jupiters continue to be an area of active research, with new discoveries and insights being made all the time. Overall, hot Jupiters are an important class of exoplanets that have challenged our understanding of planet formation and evolution. They are also relatively easy to study, which makes them an important target for exoplanet research. These planets are very close to the Sun, so their orbital period varies from few hours to few days. This close proximity results in extremely high surface temperatures, with some hot Jupiters reaching temperatures of over 2200 Kelvin. This is in contrast to Jupiter, which has an orbital period of about 12 years and a surface temperature of around -145 degrees Celsius. The discovery of hot Jupiters was a surprise to scientists, as they had not expected to find such large planets so close to their host star. They are also called roasters because they are so close to the star that they are tidally locked, meaning the same side of the planet is always facing the star and thus they are in permanent day and night. The prevailing theory at the time was that giant planets like Jupiter would only form far away from their host star. They are extremely hot, with temperatures reaching up to 2200 Kelvin. Due to their proximity to their host star, hot Jupiters are thought to have formed in the outer reaches of their solar system and then migrated inward. In the cold regions of a planetary system where it would be possible for solid particles to accumulate and form a planet. Since then, over 100 hot Jupiters have been discovered using this method, and even more have been discovered using other techniques such as transit photometry and direct imaging. Hot Jupiters are also interesting to scientists for other reasons. For example, their close proximity to their host star means that they are subject to intense radiation and stellar winds. This can cause their atmospheres to be stripped away over time, making them less massive than they would be otherwise. Additionally, because they are so close to their host star, they are tidally locked, meaning the same side of the planet is always facing the star. This causes one side of the planet to be in permanent daylight while the other side is in permanent darkness. The close proximity of hot Jupiters to their host star also makes them easier to study than other exoplanets. Because they are so bright, they can be observed with a relatively small telescope, and the transit method can be used to study their atmospheres in more detail. This has led to the discovery of a number of interesting phenomena, such as clouds of silicate and alumina particles, and strong winds that can reach speeds of over 10,000 km per hour. Another interesting aspect of hot Jupiters is that they may have formed further out in their planetary systems and then migrated inward over time. This is thought to have occurred through a process called disk migration, in which a planet's orbit is gradually modified by the gravitational interaction with the surrounding protoplanetary disk. This process is thought to be more efficient for larger planets like hot Jupiters, as they have a stronger gravitational pull and can more easily clear a path through the disk. One of the challenges in understanding hot Jupiters is that they are not found in our own solar system. This means that scientists must rely on observations and models to understand their properties and behavior. Additionally, there is a lack of consensus among scientists as to how these planets formed and how they have evolved over time. Thank you for watching this video on the topic of hot Jupiters. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel Desi Astro. Thank you again. We will back soon with other exciting video on astronomy and astrophysics.